Our focus on every project we do is to take a step in some way or another to reduce the impact that buildings have on the environment, either through low carbon construction solutions or very, very low carbon solutions to operate buildings. And one of those projects is the National Meteorological Association's building in South Korea that we are designing.
We wanted to deliver the true net zero building, meaning beyond the carbon neutral building, we wanted to reduce first operational carbon and also embodied carbon by utilizing timber mass or recycled steel. Then offsetting it with renewable energy. So the final goal was to achieve the real net zero.
This will be the first net zero in operation government building in South Korea.
The passive strategy that we introduce in this building are not something new or expensive or new technology. All those solutions are somewhat what has been proved throughout the times all around the world.
So to get to net zero, we use every component of the weather, the sun, the rain, the wind, temperature, the earth. We use them in one way or another to reduce the amount of energy that's needed for the building.
So for instance, daylight is very important for the quality of the workspace. So we want to bring as much as we can. What we've done is we increase the floor to floor, and we also try to utilize the sun to generate the energy using the PV panels. For the wind, winds can cool down and sometimes can insulate the space. So during the summertime, we design to bring this cool air into the earth duct so that it can cool down, moderate the temperature of the so-called four-season garden.
Every single passive strategy takes advantage of a weather condition, and that's how we get to net zero.
Even though we are not providing,
I guess we need to do a study about how people fit in here.
They're just on alternating sides, you're fading this.
Which means we could have a bigger space there, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
the interesting architectural expression I see is that there's a quite straightforward.
Special room that people use.
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
The darkness things are working. That's the kind of more central thing, which could be.
My name is Ron Backer. I'm a founding partner of PLP Architecture.
My name is Lee Polisano. I'm the founder and president of PLP Architecture.
And this is the Architect Series.